Today we're going to fix our original Luci Light. It has a flat.
And it's dingy looking.
And the plastic's brittle and you can't see through it. This is what one's supposed to look like. You can see through it. We're going to use a peanut butter jar from Walmart.
Great value.
Yeah, great value. I took the label off, scrubbed it. We're going to cut the circle out here. Attach the charging part. And we're
using this.
Yep, with the Dremel. And we're going to use the E6000 glue to hold it down.
E6000?
Yeah, E6000.
Adhesive?
It says flexible paintable.
Oh, we ain't painting.
Clear, transparent. I don't plan on painting any of it. Industrial strength adhesive. So, Roy's going to do all the dirty work.
Oh, I am.
Yep, you're cutting, not me.
Okie dokie. Let's get to work.
Yep. Okay.
Are you ready? Let's see how this thing works. Let's clean that up. I think that'll work. Got a nice little ledge there for glue to set on.
Now we begin the trimming of the original Luci Light.
All the nastiness, we're going to take it off. First of all, let's cut this solar panel clear of this old nasty plastic. See that plastic? All nasty. This thing's all full of dust and
Yeah, it's old.
dirt.
We bought it when we first took off. It's
3 years old, yep.
Desert did a number on it, as you could see. But it still works, so I mean, we don't want to get rid of it. I mean, we're just going to modify.
Improve upon.
No.
And it don't have to be perfect, because it probably won't be.
That looks better right there by itself.
It does, don't it?
Yeah, look how nice and yellow it is. I mean, it's old. It's brittle.
Hey, 3 years old is not old.
Yeah, but the desert makes plastic brittle. Quick, how you call it, age faster. But everything still works. I mean, don't shine us.
No?
No.
Pull some of this plastic around so I can
Cut it off too.
Yep.
There we go. But yeah, man, it's bright yellow now. We got this down in Kentucky.
Louisville Bass Pro.
Yep, when we stayed the night. They had overnight parking, and we pulled in. Ended up, what, 2 nights because of the ice storm?
Mm-hmm.
But we needed power, needed some light instead of draining the one battery, so we bought us a Luci Light, and it's been a faithful light.
Okay.
Yeah. Just keep your fingers out of the way, we'll be alright.
I can't guarantee that, but not at all. Alright.
Oh, that is brittle and nasty.
Yeah, how dirty that is.
I'm surprised it charged at all.
Now she'll get some good sun.
Yep.
But looks like it's ready to go.
Got
Fully charged, 3 dots. And still works. Can we get to gluing?
Yeah, you're gluing.
With this E6000 flexible, paintable adhesive, clear, transparent. Scott let us use this on our phone mount on the dash because it kept falling. So let's get the gluing. Scott says use quite a bit when you use this. So
here, I'll hold it and you.
yeah, you hold it. Be liberal. Very liberal with it. There we go. Come all the way back around. There we are. Remember where you set the cap because there's going to be a string. Put the cap back on.
I'll get Becky's hand with it.
Put
Cause
this on where you want it. Here it is. Ready. Move that on there just like that. Press it down all nice and firm.
add some weight to it to hold it down
Sure,
while it dries.
Looks pretty even.
Looks pretty good to me on my side.
After it dries, you want to drill some holes in it. You can put hooks on the side and hang it, which is probably what we'll do when it dries.
How long does it take to dry normally?
Oh, what does it say on this?
I don't know. That's why I was asking you.
Directions, test a small area. Allow 24 hours for curing. Maximum bond strength may not be reached for up to 72 hours. So, in the meantime, slide it back this way a little bit. There we go. Looks pretty centered to me. Let's see, is it going to work?
Yep.
Yep. Looks pretty centered to me. Close as you're going to get it anyway, I would say. Yep. All right, now we're going to put this brick on it. And leave that set for 72 hours. Here's the finished product. Well, not quite finished. We got to put a hanger on it, but we use this set on the table. Look at that, that's on low. Nice clear light now. There's high.
High beam.
Higher. And now the blinky.
I don't like the blinkies. They hurt my eyes.
But there it is.
Our own.
We may put hangers on it. We may just use it as a table lamp. Not sure, but now it throws off plenty of light. A lot more light than it did before with that dingy, aged plastic on it. What do you think, dear?
I like it that way.
I think it'll work. But don't throw them away. If they still work, just put them on a jar. Have a good one.